Team FoneArena is in Barcelona, here to check out Mobile World Congress, where there's going to be the absolute bleeding edge tech making its way into your hands this year. But did you know that it's the smart engineers at Qualcomm who are responsible for a whole lot of that hardware innovation? We'd like to take a moment to thank our sponsors at Qualcomm for helping us make this coverage happen. And now, on to the video. The Sony Xperia Compact series remains one of the last few remaining devices to offer top-end specifications in, well, a compact form factor. As you'd have guessed, the XZ2 Compact brings the XZ2's feature set to the smaller size lineup. The Xperia XZ2 and XZ2 Compact remain more or less the same, with just a few changes on the build, display size and the battery. Gone are the large bezels and the boxy build, and instead we have a curvier and more ergonomic build. The XZ2 Compact is equipped with a 5-inch 18:9 display and trimmed down bezels all around. This is a full HD Plus HDR panel that looks absolutely stunning. There's Gorilla Glass 5 for protection. The fingerprint module has now been moved over to the back of the phone. Conveniently located towards the center, you'll easily be able to reach out to it. Up above, you'll find the camera, laser autofocus module, IR sensor for gauging white balance, and an LED flash, of course. Also changed is the material used over at the back of the device. The XZ2 has a curved 3D glass build, while the XZ2 Compact makes do with a polycarbonate build. Like the XZ2, there is no headphone jack here, so you'll have to make do with a dongle connected to the USB Type-C port. Internally, the XZ2 Compact has the same Snapdragon 845 chipset as the XZ2. This has been paired with 4GB of RAM. There's 64GB of storage that can be further expanded via a microSD card. The phone has a 2870 mAh battery built into it that supports quick charge and QNOVO adaptive charging as well. Talking about the camera, this year Sony is adding 4K HDR video recording capabilities to the camera on the XZ2 series. The 19-megapixel Motion Eye camera is also capable of recording super slow motion video at 960 frames per second, and the resolution has been bumped up to Full HD this time around. The front camera is a 5-megapixel fixed focus unit. The Sony Xperia XZ2 Compact is a no-compromise device that brings the feature set of current flagships to a device which is much more pocketable. So if you wanted a device which fits reasonably well in your hands or can easily slip into your pocket, the XZ2 Compact should definitely be on your list. The Sony Xperia XZ2 Compact ships in black, white silver, moss green and coral pink colors, and the global rollout starts later this month.